Welcome back. Last lesson, your capability six-pack showed 4 numbers: CP, CPK, PP, PPK. And if you've ever wondered why there are 4 or which one to put in front of a customer, this lesson settles it. The whole answer hangs on one idea. There are 2 standard deviations hiding in your data. Both exams test this distinction directly. Let's untangle it. 1 dataset, 2 spreads. Sigma within, the short-term sigma, is estimated from moving ranges or subgroups. It measures the noise between neighboring points, the process at its purest, as if nothing ever drifted. Sigma overall, the long-term sigma, is the classic sample standard deviation across everything. It includes every shift change, tool wear, batch difference, and bad Monday. Overall is almost always bigger than within, and the gap between them is drift, measured. The mapping is mechanical. CP and CPK divide by sigma within, that's capability, what the process could hold if it stayed stable. PP and PPK divide by sigma overall, that's performance, what the customer actually experienced, drift included. So PPK is usually the smallest of the 4, and the exam keywords are exactly within and overall. C capability, think short-term potential. C performance, think long-term reality. Feel the gap with numbers. Specs 40 to 54 mean 47. Short-term sigma 2, CPK is 7/6, 1.17, looks healthy. Long-term sigma 3, PPK is 7/9, 0.78. Same process, same specs, capable on paper, failing in history. That pattern, CPK fine, PPK poor, has one diagnosis: instability. The spread isn't the problem, the drifting is. Fix stability first. It's free compared to reducing variation. Let's read a real one. I'll use the LeanProjax platform on the capability run from last lesson. 4 tiles, CP0945 and CPK0903 from sigma within, PP0889 and PPK0849 from sigma overall. The caption underneath shows the 2 sigmas themselves, 5.29 within, 5.62 overall, a modest gap, so this process drifts a little. And the eye chart below is already flagging special causes in red, exactly the points inflating the long-term sigma. One screen, the whole story. Which number leaves the building? When a customer asks what they'll experience, report PPK. History, honestly. When your team asks what's achievable after stabilizing, that's CPK. Supplier scorecards under the automotive convention typically demand PPK for performance and CPK for capability. Know both names. And the exam trap. If a question hands you the overall standard deviation and asks for capability, the honest index it computes is PPK. The label matters less than the sigma you were given. Exam drill, 하면. 2 questions. Question 1. A process shows CPK 1.8 but PPK 0.9. What's the diagnosis and the first fix? Pause here if you need a moment. Capable but unstable. The short-term spread is fine, drift is eating it. Attack special causes and stability first, not variation. Question 2. Which standard deviation does PPK use, and what does it include? Take a few seconds. The overall sample standard deviation, including every drift, shift effect, and special cause in the data. 4 numbers, 2 sigmas, 1 story. Within is potential, overall is history. Next lesson, we ask a sneakier question. Can you even trust the numbers your gauge produces? Gauge R and R. Measurement system analysis step by step. Subscribe and I'll see you there.